Hi, I'm Andrea, and I want to help you with your English pronunciation. Sometimes there are sounds in English that might not exist in your native language, so you might have trouble hearing them and pronouncing them. But one way to improve that situation is to look at some minimal pairs, which are words that vary in only one sound. And when you contrast that one sound that they differ by, you can start to hear the distinction and pronounce it better. So let me share this presentation with you that has some minimal pairs so we can work on some sounds that are similar but different enough to change the meaning of a word. This is going to help not only your listening comprehension, but also the pronunciation that you have so that other people can understand you well. So first we're going to contrast two sounds, eh, a versus eh. So please repeat these after me and really listen for the distinction between them. Saint, scent, pain, pen, taste, test, gate, get. So a versus eh. We also have versus oo. Everyone say pull, pool, full, fool, soot, suit, stood, stewed. Now we've got a versus o. Call, coal, walk, woke, bought, boat, law, low. This is the s sound versus the z sound. The z sound is a buzz. It's a fricative. It's a vibration. So your tongue is in the same place in your mouth, but one has no voice. The S has no voice, but the Z is more of a vibration and includes your voice. Z. Everyone say niece, knees, rice, rise, sip, zip, ice, eyes. Okay, so s versus z. The TH has different sounds, but this is the soft TH with no voice, the where you put your tongue between your teeth and you blow, versus where your bottom lip is pressed against your top teeth and you blow. Both of these have no voice sound, okay? Versus first thin, thin. Thirst, first. Thrill, frill. Three, free. So to make this difference in the sound, you really have to have your mouth right. You have to have your tongue between your teeth for the TH, and you have to have your bottom lip on your top, the bottom of your top teeth for the S. Then we have a versus cat, cut, flash, lush, rat, rut, batter, butter. This is a sh, SH versus S sound. So the SH sh is between your teeth where you're blowing air and it's a long sound. Shh. The s is your tongue against the back of your teeth, blowing air in a long sound. So shh versus everybody say shoe, stew, shoot, suit, clash, class, shave, save, Okay, we also have an SH versus a CH sound, which is a tough distinction for some people. The SH is a long sound. Shh. The CH is more like an explosion. It's ch, ch, and my mouth comes open. So shh is long, the SH, and my mouth stays closed. But the CH, my mouth comes open. Ch, ch. Everybody say ship, chip, sheep, cheap, wash, watch, cash, catch. So this one's a prolonged sound where your teeth stay together, and the CH is more like a burst and your teeth come apart. Chip. Ch. All right, then we have I versus E. This is really hard sometimes for Spanish speakers because the I doesn't exist in Spanish, okay? I versus E. We have fit, feet, chip, cheap, lick, leak, pick, peak. And then versus or. Bird, board, worm, warm, first, forced, perk, pork. So I hope that helped. I hope that you can hear the difference and that with a little practice, you'll be able to distinguish between these sounds, even if the sound doesn't exist in your native language. Keep practicing.